Today I will show you how to host uh, a free website on Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, first thing you want to do is log into your Cloudflare account. Let's go to our dashboard. Now, once you log in, this is what it should look like. Now, I need you to understand that you can only host static websites, not dynamic ones. So let's go to on the build. Let's go to compute. Let's go to workers and pages, and here we're going to create an application. Under created application, we're going to connect our GitHub account. We're going to authorize GitHub. We're going to authorize Cloudflare to pull our repos. Let's verify by email and input the code and verify. Now that we have our GitHub profile connected, we're going to choose the repo that we want to host. Let's choose this repo for the purpose of this tutorial, and we're going to click on next. Now there's a build command. If you have a build command, you're going to input the build command. If not, you're just going to click deploy, and it's going to set up your repository, and it's going to deploy your repository. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Yes, and then we have our repository cloning and deploying onto Cloudflare for free. Now you can see the console down there, and if there's any error or there's any reason why deployment fails, it's going to show you down there. But if not, it's going to deploy just as seen here. I see it deployed in 0.52 seconds, and you have your build ready. Now that's how to host a website on Cloudflare for free. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And on that note, I will see you in the next one.